If you're looking for a nice, spacious, open family home over 3,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, this is the home for you. Today we're in Oak Landing, which is in Imperialakes. It's a gated community, very well established. I'm going to show you the street in just a minute, but take a look at this beautiful home. The exterior was painted this year, 2025. The interior was painted 2025. The roof was replaced in 2025. And I'll tell you more updates as we walk through it. Let's go take a look at it. I am happy to present 313 Oak Landing. Check out this curb appeal of this really nice family home. It really shows very well and pops from the road. I say pops because it's got gorgeous grass. The landscaping has been redone. The exterior has been painted. But you can see it on the right-hand side facing the home. It's got a water softener system right here, PVC fencing. I'm going to walk through this home and show you a little bit more details about it. But notice that the driveway is huge because it's got a 3-car garage. So this is Oak Landing. It's a really nice community here in Mulberry. Just on the other side is Lakeland, so right off Shepherd Road in Imperialakes. Nice, quiet neighborhood. You can see it's Halloween time. Everybody's got their decorations up. Wonderful street. Every time I've come out here, it's always been really nice and quiet. Nice family neighborhood. Let's go take a look at this home and see what it has to offer. Now, by the way, there's a Publix literally right outside of Imperialakes and almost adjoins to it. So Publix is right down the street. You can almost walk or bike to it, and shopping's nearby, Walmart, the whole bit. So let's take a look at the home. As you can see, 2-story. So all your bedrooms are upstairs. There's a half bath down here for the guests, but you can see the carpet's in great shape. All the window treatments. Really, this is just a massive living dining area. You can see the dining room fixture. You could put this dining, separate sitting room, can make it an office. There's so much you could do with it. Nice arches here to kind of give it that open look and open feel. A huge family room or living area or great room, whatever you want to call it. Opens up to the kitchen. Now here is your half bath. So here's your half bath with ceramic tile flooring. By the way, all the ceramic tile flooring, say all of them, it's been resealed. Looks fantastic. It's hard to see it on video, but it's in really good shape. Got some storage underneath of the stairs there. So you get the idea, lots of natural light. Again, you can put a round table here or rectangle table here right in the kitchen to make it an eating kitchen area. Kitchen is nice. You got the island here for cooking, preparing dishes. Kitchen pantry, you got a stainless steel KitchenAid dishwasher. GE Profile Edition on your range. And then it has the microwave built in right here too. Nice LG fridge, stainless steel with the freezer on the bottom. These are wonderful. Washer and dryer. Your laundry is right inside. Put some soap or what have you up there. This goes to the 3-car garage. There's a little bit of area behind here also. Looks like it's pre-plumbed for a sink. If you wanted to add a sink, you could do that. Plenty of space behind the door. We're gonna go outside and look at that backyard in just a moment. But let's head upstairs so I can show you the rest of this nice open floor plan. It's really close to 3,100 square feet. Let's head upstairs and look at the more open space it has. So this is a great family home. You may have a family where the kids, you need a separate room for them to hang out, put all their toys, put all their stuff. Game room, TV room. Love you guys, but need some space. Anybody ever been there? Here you go. Look at the size of this bonus room. It's huge. So you can see the TV. You can mount it right there. lots of space. This is overlooking that backyard, which we're gonna see in a moment. So big area. Let's go look at some of the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are really nice size, which is fantastic. All right, so I can back up here and show you. Again, new roof, new interior paint. If you can see it, but look at the semi-gloss or the gloss paint. But it's all, this is like, I say washable. You can wipe it off and it will not, it's not like a flat paint. So the whole interior has been done. It's really nice. Closet area. So this is one of your full bathrooms. So you have the sink area, cabinetry underneath. This has a tub shower combination. So lots of space again. All your wet areas are gonna have ceramic tile. Here is another nice sized bedroom. I'm gonna call this bedroom number 4 because it's probably the smaller of all of them, but still it's good size. So the back bedroom we just showed you, then this is the front bedroom. These are big bedrooms. You can kind of see, I know I'd have to walk you through the home so you can really get an idea of the size of it, but they're really nice sized bedrooms. This is toward the front of the home. So if you're looking for directions, this is going west. This is facing west, I believe. Closets. Got your air handler here, easy to service. 2 different thermostats, okay? One for up, one for down, as you'll see that in most 2-story homes. And then the master bedroom is really nice size, huge master suite. Wow, look at this, huge. King size bed, California king, put your 2 king beds in here. I don't know, it's massive, it's huge. Double windows. Now, here's, I really love this about this floor plan, is you've got this huge closet. They're gonna put a little panel over that, but massive. This is where all your internet cables are, but look at the walk-in closet here. It's huge. And then you've got attic access here. But if that's not enough closet space, ladies, you can have that. Give the guy this thing. This is still a walk-in closet with more space. Look at this, it kind of tucks around. You got a window for some natural light. I'm gonna crack that a little bit, let some more light in there. Let the light shine, but you can see you got space here and more space here. So this is a really nice second closet that you can use for storage or what have you. Now, let's head over here to see the master bathroom. Huge counter, very long, plenty of cabinet space down here, counter space, huge mirror. And then if you like a little soaker tub, come home from work, hang out in the tub, relax, there you go. There's your tub and your walk-in shower. Brand new shower door, glass, beautiful. It's really nice, it's nice and heavy. It's very well done. I don't want to kind of do that while I'm holding my phone here, but you can see a nice size shower, and then here is your toilet room. So privacy for your toilet room and a linen closet right inside here, which is great for all your towels and all your extra soaps and shampoos and what have you. All right, so let's now head downstairs and out the back. So this gives you a good idea. Bonus room, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, and in the front, another bedroom. So 4, 2.5. Let's head downstairs and look at the outside entertaining area. Now, the owner is taking great care of this. The ACs are 2019. So you know, that's the air handler and the air compressor, which is fantastic. So those are good years. The water heater is brand new. Gotta like that. So I love, look at the freshly painted floor here. Massive patio. I'm gonna show you that more in a minute, but look at the size of this patio. It's huge. Freshly painted, and of course the outside was painted, so I'm backing up here to give you an idea visually how long patio goes all the way from each end of the home to the next. By the way, this is under truss. So this is an under truss patio. This is not an aluminum add-on that you can have a screen enclosure company do. This is a full, under truss, massive patio. Okay, let's take a look at the outside. Beautiful PVC fencing. This yard looks spectacular. Here's where your dual ACs are. Gate here. Let's shift around here. Look at this beautiful backyard. Kids ready to run around. Got a dog or two. Absolutely perfect for it. Again, just notice how quiet the neighborhood is. And that's upstairs. There you go, all under 10 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of this beautiful home. We are hitting the markets really, really soon. Would love to show it to you, be the first one to preview this, see if it fits your family. My name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day. So what do you think? Did you enjoy this walkthrough? Do me a favor, drop a comment below. What was your favorite feature when I walked through this home? Tell me what that was. Was it the backyard? Was it the new roof? That's always nice to have in Florida. Tell me what that was. I would love to connect with you, talk about your real estate needs. All my contact information is below. Anything you need in the Central Florida area, myself or my team would love to connect with you and help you out. Have a great day. God bless you, and we'll talk to you soon.